Welcome to Lightning Proxies. In this video, we will show you how to use the sub-user system. First, log into your Lightning Proxies dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Sub-Users, then click on Add Sub-User. Select the subscription you want to assign to this sub-user. Enter the member's full name and set the amount of the bandwidth to add. To manage the sub-user, click on the Manage Sub-User button. The username and password will be automatically generated by the system. You can also edit an existing sub-user by clicking Edit Sub-User. Each sub-user has two tabs, Credentials and Bandwidth. In the Credentials tab, you can change the password. In the Bandwidth tab, you can add or remove bandwidth for the sub-user. After making any changes, make sure to click Update for each section to save your changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Lightning Proxies.